Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. To continue my hunt of providing you the most beneficial products on the web, here is my newest review for today. But remember, if in time you don't want to follow along as you listen, just click the link below the video to get directly to the product that I'm talking about. So, today's product in Amazon.ca is about the Instant Pot Ultra Electric Pressure Cooker. The reason that you need this is it's the next generation in kitchen appliances. It is programmable and you can control it directly from your app, aside from the start button here. So it's the next generation. Think about it. Who wants to have an old phone or an old Pentium computer? Nobody, right? It's the same in cooking. You want the newest one. And this is actually the one that you need. It's very convenient. It replaces 10 common appliances like pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, you name it. It's very easy, space saver, it's very durable, good quality. That's why it's America's #1 cooker brand. And not to mention the inner stainless steel pot, which is very safe. It's not like the others that has the unhealthy old non-sticky Teflon coatings, right? Remember? So that's why I bought two of this. One was dedicated for rice cooking and the other is dedicated for my other cookings. So when you click the link, you will find out the good customer reviews. It's 455 customer reviews. You can click this and then you can browse and read more reviews from actual customers that they love it, like me. So click the link below and find out why it is one of the Amazon choice and most recommended. Plus it has a highest rating of 4.7 out of 5 ratings for 455 customers. It's very highly recommended, right? That's all for my review today. Thank you for watching. Click that link below or subscribe to my channel for more reviews of the most beneficial products online. Have a good one.